particular question, we are asked to complete the statement that AF divided by FC is equal to dot dot dot. Now, what is that? Well, let's go and find out where AF and FC are. Well, do you see over there? Let me get a line. AF is this line. Okay, AF is over there. Let's take a color other than, let's take a yellow highlighter. AF is that line over there. If you see AF, okay, I'm going to draw next to it. That's AF. Okay, I can't highlight exactly straight, but anyway, that's AF. Right, so there you can see that AF is over there, and let's get a pink highlighter. That's a nice color. Divided by FC, right? Now, this is the proportionality theorem. Really, when you start seeing fractions, you need to know that's your hint. Proportionality is involved there. Okay, wait. Let's write neatly. Proportionality. And this is a fairly, as I mentioned, it's a fairly simple one. It says AF divided by FC is equal to, well, let's see, there's my line. This line isn't parallel to anything, but this line certainly is. And let's take a different color. Let's take a turquoise highlighter. That's the parallel line. Right, that's the parallel line, EF. Now that line is parallel to which line in which big triangle? Well, it's parallel to this line over here. Okay, so I'm going to actually give you a hint, and I'm going to say, well, that was AF by FC, so going with AF, this is going to be the one. It's going to be AE. That's the corresponding one that goes with AF, AE. Just look carefully. And what corresponds with FC, that's proportionate to FC, is going to be ED. Let me just find that pink. Just started using highlighters recently. And there we go. Okay, so that's an E, right? AE. So that's EDFC, right? So let's put that in. Let's get it in there. So AF over FC is the same as AE. AE over ED. And the reason for that is proportionality theorem. Not that a reason was required in this particular question, but it's the proportionality theorem. And now let's look at it carefully. We can say, well, proportionality theorem and the parallel lines. That's EF is parallel to CD. EF parallel to CD. There we go. EF is parallel to CD. And yeah, and if I want to say where did I get this from, I need to say in which triangle I was working with. In the big triangle, which was ACD. ACD. In triangle ACD, AF divided by FC is the same as AE over ED because of the proportionality theorem with the two parallel lines that are EF and CD. And there we go, that's 10.2.1.